Hi guys, welcome back to Sunitha's Tasty Food channel. Today I brought you a recipe for non-veg lovers, that is Indian style prawn tempura. Actually prawns cook faster, but the only thing time taking is cleaning and deveining. So there is a video on how to devein prawns faster. The video is available on iCard button. Here I have taken approximately 450 grams of prawns, tiger prawns, and I devein them, let the tails intact with the body. Now I'm going to show you how to clean the tail. Open up the tail part and try to pull out the slimy black thing with the help of the knife. Clean all the tails similarly, then finally give a final wash. Now turn the prawn belly side up, make 3-4 incisions diagonally. Then press it down gently. You will hear the crackling sound. Actually, we do all this process to avoid the curling of the prawn when we fry them in the oil. Now our prawns are ready for cooking. Let's prepare our batter for coating the prawns. Here I am taking half a teaspoon of paprika. If you don't have paprika, you can use chili powder as well. And half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and salt to taste. If you want, you can add your own spices according to your spiciness. Add little bit of water and give it a mix. Going in here, 1 egg and whisk it thoroughly. Here goes in 1½ tablespoons of corn flour, adding one after the other, and whisk it thoroughly, making sure there is no lump in the batter. Our batter is ready. Now let the prawns roll in the batter. I am adding here a pinch of food color. This is totally optional. You can skip it if you want. For outer crust, I am taking here 3 slices of bread and making it into a powder. Now roll the prawn in the breadcrumbs. On the other hand, my oil is heating up. Fry them in low flame. Now our tempura prawns are ready to enjoy. Guys, if you like my recipe, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and give a thumbs up. Please share with your family and your friends. Stay healthy with homemade food. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.